Happy Sunday, 7/16. Hopefully you're having a great weekend so far. It is going to be scorching hot today and then even hotter on Monday and Tuesday. So a 3-day stretch of really intense heat. There is a heat advisory in effect today for the entire area. It starts at 10 o'clock this morning and it will last until 8 o'clock tonight because our feels like temperatures can get up to 110 degrees this afternoon. So it is going to be a scorching hot day. Lots of sunshine to kick off the morning. It's a beautiful start to the day. We're dry. Not a cloud in the sky over the French Quarter. 82 degrees. It feels like 93 though because our dew points are at 80 degrees, so it is very muggy and sticky outside. We have calm winds and a really quiet, wonderful start to our morning. Temperatures outside of the metro are in the mid to upper 70s, mid 70s north of the lake, upper 70s on the South Shore, and then those low 80s in the metro area now. Taking a look at our live radar, no rain happening. There are a few showers off to the west in the Gulf of Mexico or Gulf of America, whatever one you want to go with today. One little shower just offshore here in St. Bernard Parish, but we're off to a dry and nice start to the day. We'll see plenty of sunshine all the way through. This afternoon, temperatures will get to the mid 90s. So they are going to be climbing above average today by a few degrees. Average for this time of the year, lower 90s will be in the mid 90s and then the upper 90s tomorrow and Tuesday. Feels like temperatures can easily get up to 110 degrees. And not to mention, we're going to feel like in the 100s for several hours today. So if you will be out and about, enjoying your Sunday outside, pay attention to your body because this is some extreme heat that's going to last for several days. And if you have to work outside, you want to be extra cautious. Have plenty of water with you, have a place to take breaks either in the shade or air conditioning. The shade really does wonders. It is going to be so hot and mostly dry. When I say mostly dry, a lot less rain because of this ridge of high pressure that's going to be building in and staying with us and intensifying over the next 3 days across the central and southern U.S. So that keeps us hot and mostly dry, but of course very muggy and humid. Here are our temperatures: 95 degrees today, 97 tomorrow, 98 on Tuesday. Near record heat possible for Monday and Tuesday. And then Wednesday through the rest of the upcoming week, it's going to be a little bit better, I guess. Probably upper 80s, low 90s by then because we'll have more clouds, moisture, and showers later in the week. Feels like temperatures today anywhere to 108 to 110. And then Monday and Tuesday, our feels like temperatures early in the week will go above 110 probably. Maybe as high as 115 tomorrow and Tuesday. So that's why we're calling for a weather impact alert to kick off the work week tomorrow and Tuesday because of the extremely hot temperatures. And then the feels like temperatures, the heat index could get up to maybe 115, 116 in like the hottest possible spots. So it's not out of the realm of possibility. We could see those feels like temperatures that extreme in the coming days. So of course, it is the end of July. We know what to do in the summertime here, but just a reminder, of course, you want to stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. You may feel like you're drinking too much, but if you're outside and, exerting yourself, it's likely not too much. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water when you're thirsty. Take the breaks in the shade or the air conditioning. Dress appropriately, of course. Light, loose-fitting clothes, maybe sunscreen, hats, sunglasses, things like that. Don't forget about pets this time of the year, the concrete, the asphalt being so hot. And you always want to check the back seat of your car before you go into the store, things like that. Throughout the course of the next 3 days, we're going to be mostly dry because of that high pressure. There might be one isolated shower or storm today, tomorrow in the afternoon, and that's about it, but I wouldn't count on much. When we get to Tuesday, though, a little moisture tries to come back in. We'll have a few scattered storms in the mix on Tuesday in the afternoon and early evening. But by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that moisture wraps around the high pressure again, and that will provide us a chance to at least cool off a bit with scattered storms mid to late week. So that will help, I hope, with the temperatures. But if you don't see a cooling shower later this week, your temperatures can still get to the 90s, but at least those higher rain chances settle in to cap off the upcoming work week.